Okay, so for this chapter, the student learning objectives are, we're going to look at whole number place values. We're going to also look at add or subtract whole numbers, multiply or divide and divide whole numbers. So the set of whole numbers are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means it continues. And so we have a partial table for whole number place values. So here we have, for example, the number here we have is 910,510. And the 0 is in the ones place, the 1 is in the tens place, the 5 is in the hundreds place. So we can read the last 3 as 510. The 0 is in a thousands place, the 1 is in a 10,000s place, and 9 is in 100,000 place. So we read this number as 910,510. Let's look at an example here. Indicate the place value of the digits for the following numbers. So this number is 9. There is only one digit to it, and 9 is of ones place. And the second example, we have 859. There are 3 digits. The first number to the right is the ones place. 5 is the tens place. 8 is the hundreds place. So now let's look how to add and subtract whole numbers. So to add or subtract whole numbers, align the digits of each number according to the corresponding place values. So 40, the 0 is the ones place, 4 is the tens place, and 73, 3 is the tens place. So we align it with the 0 and the 40 because the 0 is also the tens place, and we align the 7 with the 4, and we add the digits that are in the same place values. So we add 0 plus 3 is 3, 4 plus 7 is 11. So that's 113. So this is equal to 113. Let's look at another example. So we align the place values, the digits, the place values of the digits. So 540, 476. 56, the 6 is the ones place, the 5 is the tens place, and 92. Okay, we aligned and then we add. So we add 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So we put the 4 and carry over the 1. And now we add the digits in the middle, including the 1 to it. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26. We write down the 6 and carry over the 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 11. So the answer here is 1,164. To subtract, we do the same thing. We align the digits according to their place values. So we have 74. And for the 14, the 4 is the ones place, so we align it with the 4 and the 74. And the 1 is the tens place, so we align it with the 7 and the tens place, and we subtract. So we subtract the number in the bottom from the top number. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. So the answer for this is 60. Subtract 65 from 891. Again, we align the digits. So 65 is the ones place. We align it with the 1 and the 891. 91, 1 has the ones place. And then 6 with the 9. And subtract the bottom number from the top number, digit by digit. So we start from the right. 1 is less than 5, so we cannot take away 5 from 1. So we have to borrow 1 from 9. So when we borrow 1 from 9, 9 now becomes 8. And 1 became 11. So what are we doing now? We're subtracting 5 from 11, which is 6. Because we took 1 away from 9, 9 is now 8. And we subtract 6 from 8 is 2. And 8 just by itself, so just we bring it down, 8. So this is equal to 826. So multiplying whole numbers. So we just multiply 6 times 5 times 8. So we multiply 8 times 5 is 40. We put the 0 down and carry over the 4. 8 times 6 is 48. And then we add the number that we carried over, which is 4. So 48 plus 4. So we add 48 plus 4 is 52. So we put the 52 here. So this here is 520. Now let's multiply 66,391 times 198. So we start from the bottom right digit number, the most right digit number. We multiply each of the digits in the on the top with the top number. So we multiply 8 times 1 is 8. We put it down. 8 times 9 is 72. We put down the 2, carry over the 7. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. 1, carry over 3. 8 times 6, 48. 48 plus 3, 51. So we put the 51 here. We don't need this. Now we move on to the next digit to the left, which is 9. And we multiply each of the digits on the top with 9, starting from the rightmost digit. So 9 times 1 is 9. Now we put this 9, the result, under the 2, because we had to move to the left by 1 place. So when the first number that we put will also be moved to the left by 1 digit. So 9 times 1, we put it below the 2, 9. Okay, so we do not put it under the, so this here, 9 times 1 doesn't go under the 8. It goes, because now 9 is located, moved to the left by 1 digit. The first digit that we put here after multiplying 9 by the first digit is below. We also move 1 digit to the left. So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So we put the 1, carry over 8. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 27 plus 8. So we add 27 plus 8 is 35. We put the 5 under 1 and carry over the 3. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 3 is 57. So 5, 7. Okay, now we move on to 1. We multiply 1 times 1. Now again, the first digit that we get from the product, we have to move, because now we moved 1 more digit to the left. The first digit that we put under here after when we multiply will also be moved by 1 place. So it will be under the 1 on the third location. Okay, so now we have 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 6, 6. So we just follow, we keep moving to the left as we put the products in the bottom. Okay, now we add these digits that we have here. So since 8 is by itself, we just bring it down. 2 plus 9 is 11. Write the 1, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. Write the 5, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Put down the 6 and carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So this product is equal to 1,265,418. Now we're going to divide whole numbers. We have 17 divided by 7. 7 doesn't go into 1, but it goes into 17 two times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract 7 minus 4 is 3. That's the remainder. So our answer is 7, remainder 3. Our answer is 2. Okay, the answer is 2, remainder 3. We divide 2,690 by 23. 23 doesn't go into 2, but it goes into 26. So how many times? 1 times. So we put the 1 right above the 6. So 1 times 23 is 23. Now we subtract 23 from 26. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down the 9. 23 goes into 39 1 times. 1 times 23 is 23. Subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, 16. Bring down the 0. 23 goes into 166 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 8, carry over 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1, 13. Subtract 0 minus 8. 8 is larger than 0. We cannot subtract. So we have to borrow 1 from 6. It becomes now, the 0 becomes 10. And the 6 becomes 5. So now we have 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 23. Remainder, the 116 is the one. 116, remainder 22 is the answer.